Hi everyone, this is Zain from IMN Spin-off Net. In this session, we will discuss about the MVC first project and how we can create the MVC project with use the template. And you can see this is the this is the URL. From this URL, I will download the template. Also, you can use this URL and download template. This URL you can find from the below description. So guys, uh, let's start. Okay, first I am copying this URL, and here you can see I am using the same URL templatemo.com. This is the actually same this one. So only you need to be the run this URL, paste this URL uh, in the URL bar and enter. And from this URL you can scroll down, and this is the template you can easily download on click of the download button. Actually I already downloaded this one. You can see I already downloaded, so I am using this one. Okay, so now I am going to the open Visual Studio. I am using the VS 2017. You can use 19 and as well as. It will be take the little bit time. Once open, then okay, it is open. Go to the file. This is the file. Okay, click on the file, then new, then project. Yes, from this window select this one, ASP.NET web application, then give the application name MVC first project. And select the path where you want to save it. So I already selected, then click OK. Here select you can select from this window MPT, web form, MVC, web API, and different type of the template here, but we are creating the MVC project. Then select the MVC and click on the OK. Yes, now project is created. So now this window, close this window and go to the solution explore. Here you can see the already all folder is there, controller, font, model, script, view, everything is there. Now check in our template. In the template you can see all folder is there, but font is the same as the all folder is different, but font is the same as a template. So in this project we need to delete this one, because we will paste the template folder. Deleted. Then go to the template and copy all content, and go here and click on the project project, MVC first project root folder, then paste. Yes, everything is coming in this here you can see the different type of the HTML page, index, login, this thing, but we will first work on the index page. Open the index page. Okay, and then go to the shared view folder, and then go to the shared, then layout. Open the layout folder. On click of the layout, then it will be automatically, and from the now go to the index here and minimize all things, header, head, body, and copy both, means all content, and go to the layout and close the head, body, and delete these two things. Delete, yes, and paste here our header and body. Yes. Now the index HTML all content we have pasted in the layout page. Now we need to check the code. First, how we can check? First, open index page in the browser. Open with Google. Yes, here you can see this is the side menu, this is header part, this is side menu, and other thing is the go down and copy that. This is footer, and this thing is the body. So we need to fix three things: footer, side menu, and header, and this is the body. This body we will use use in the index page, means next page, but this is common. Header, side menu, and footer is the common for all page. So this content we will use in the layout page, because layout we can inherit in the all page, all view in the MVC. So this is the layout page. First we need to check the content, what we need to use here and what we need to delete from here. So this is the header, this is common for all page, and this is body. Here we need to check this. This is, if I clicked here, then it will be close the last of the page. Go above here. So this is the full page view. This is the template memo flexi. So we can't be close it, and then click here. You can see this is the sidebar. This is sidebar. This means we need to this is sidebar, and it is closed here. Sidebar means this is common for our layout. So we need to keep it in the layout. So first thing is minimize it. And this is the main content. Okay. And also you can see here, this is, click here, and check where is the close. This is also close the after the footer. You can see after the footer. So we can't be remove it. These two we can't be remove it, and then click here. You can see it is the close here. And other thing we need to the check what is this. This is the actually header, and the name is the template name of container. This is the container, and admin panel, dashboard, overview, sign in form. Here you can check this is admin panel, dashboard, overview, sign form. This is header. Then we need to be the keep it into the layout. Okay. And other thing, this is main content, but here the we need to the check these two where the first we need to the give the one space, and click here and check where these two are closing. Actually this div is closing after the footer, so we can't be remove it. So keep it this div in the layout page. And other thing is click on here and check where is closing this div. Actually this is closing here only. This means we can remove it from this page, because this is the main page content. Page content means this thing, visual admin template, this thing. Actually you can see that this is visual admin template. Then we can remove it and give the space. We need to be the remove it, this one. And also this is also the part of the body. Minimize. This is also part of the body. And modular interactive, this is part of the also part of the body. Modular interactor. Scroll down and check. This is modular, this is interactor, this is also part of the body. Then we need to the remove it. Just a minute. Okay, also we need to be removed. Okay, so we need to the remove this thing. So best way, you can select all and cut, Control X, cut here from here. So this is the remaining part is the remaining part we are using for the layout, because this is the common part for all page. So other thing, these three line we have cut. So these three line means body. This is body. We have, this is the body of the page. So this content, sorry, this content we need to be the this and this content we need to be used on the index page. Cut from here, and in the place of here we need to the write at the rate render body. Render body there. Okay, render body, actually this is we write the render body means the index body, and every view body will be rendered here. Okay, so in this we no need to this one. Now go to Solution Explorer, then Home, then open the index, and remove all thing from here and paste that line, means body part, which we have which we have the cutout from the layout. This is the that part, and for you can see this is showing the error. Then we can remove head to the rate from the here. Now our index page means one page is ready for running. Only we need to add the layout here. First layout is equal to and path of the layout. This path you can copy from here and go to the view. This is view, then shared, then layout 3, or you can right click and copy the configure copy, and this is okay. We can write the directly. First views, this is you can see the shared folder come in the view. So here write the view, views slash, and then under the view shared, then underscore layout dot html. Yes, now this is the layout. We are using the layout on the index page. So by adding this line, this layout content will be accessed on the index page. And other thing, this is the body. Okay, that we need to be check it is working or not. Go to debug, then save all, then debug, and start without debugging, and that it will be take small time. Yeah, project is successfully built. This is home, controller name, this is index, view name. So first page automatically will be run the index page. The URL you can, in the URL you can see home is the controller, index is the view. Here and go to Solution Explorer, click on the controller. This is only one controller, home controller, and click on this. Here you can see here are 3 action method: index, about, create. So first is automatically calling the index page in the home controller from the home controller. So it is taking the more time. This is one controller and have the 3 method, and also these 3 action method have the 3 view: 1 view, 2 view, 3 view. First name is the view name is the index, second view name is the about, and the third name is the contact. And you can see these all view will be available in the under the home folder, about, contact, index. Okay, so check. view shared layout could not found. Okay. We need to be the check spelling mistake or any other thing. What is the I have missed here? Okay, layout folder. This thing we need to the define the root. Okay, then refresh. Okay, we need to be the slash views shared layout and cs html. Okay, now refresh page. Yes, now it is correct. You can see it is working. Yeah, it is working, but not looking good like that. Like that, it is not looking good. So we need to check the issues. So right click on the page or click on the spec element, and other thing you can directly hit the F12. F12 then automatically will be open the inspect element, or other thing is right click on the page and click on the inspect element. And check the issues. Here you can see the 15 error is there. So we need to remove these error from the project. So go to the console here, click on the console. Here you can see the all issues, all error, and one by one we will remove the error from the project. The resource you can see failed to load resource. The server respond with the status of 404 means not found. Not found means something. Not found means this thing. This is not found in the server. So you can see here the name is the font awesome.mean.css. This means this is the wrong this is have the wrong path in our project. Go to the layout and find this font dot awesome. Go to the layout and check where the this is should be the in the header. In the header here you can see this is the css font awesome dot mean. This is okay, but path is the css folder. Under the css folder the file name is this. Go to solution explorer and then go to css. Here you can see font awesome dot mean. Then pick up this file and drag and drop here. Here you can see it is have the small difference, this one and this one. Actually we need to add this thing only for root folder. For it is define the root of the project. So remove first one because this is the duplicate here, and in the below 2 we need to add this thing. Yes, added. Now go to browser and refresh the page. Yes, now you can see the everything is coming. Yes, same as, but now is the 9 error is remaining. So we need to remove these error. first thing is the, you can see here, this is the this file, js folder, js folder, jquery file, jquery 1.11 file is not found. Not found means the same thing, the root folder is root project of root URL is not there. So click on the, go to the layout and check the jQuery file. jQuery file should be in the below here. This is the jQuery file. So path is the js jQuery, this one, js under the js folder. So go to the js folder, here click, and this file, drag and drop, pick up and then paste here. Yes, so you can see only the project of root is missing. So only we need to add the root here, same thing, and this is duplicate, we can delete it. And same as in this file we need to add. Yes, then go to the project and refresh the page. Yes, now only 5 error is remaining. Now one more file, image, means image path is not correct. Name of the image is profile photo. This should be the index page. Here you can see index page. So go to the index page and check profile, search Control F and type profile. Okay, profile is not there, then go to the layout and search Control F, profile. Yes, profile is there, only we need to add root project of root of project. Okay, this thing done, and refresh the page again, refresh page again. Then you can see only 4 errors is there. Now we need to check bicycle.jpg. Go to the index or layout, index or layout, and check the bicycle image. So Control F and type bicycle. Bicycle is not there, then go to index and search bicycle. Yes, bicycle is there. So here we need to only add the project of the root. Yes, and save, and then again refresh the page. Only 3 is remaining. Only 3 errors remaining. This is check the JS folder template demo template script.js. So we need to search this JS file, JS file URL. So name is the template script. So we can first check in the index page, here is any JS have or not. Here is no any JS file. So go to the layout page and check JS in the footer. Scroll down. Yes, here you can see the this file. This file is here. So we need to add project of the root, then save. Yes. So everything is removing. Now one issue is there. One image, sunset JPG. Sunset JPG should be in the index page. Go to index page and Control F and search sunset. Yeah, here is the two sunset, two image. Here also, here you can see only it is highlighting only two line, this one and this one. Present is the here, here means this one. So we need to the add root, project of the root here, and save and refresh page. Yes, now you can see all other is removed. So cut. Now our index page is working, but our need to be the change the URL of the menu. You can see if I click this one, this is blank. If I click this one, you can see the not found. URL means path is not found. So we need to be the go to here and go to layout. Go to layout and here go to menu. This thing, this is the menu. Here we need to be the use @URL dot action in the action we need to the pass two parameter. First is the index means action name index, and second is the controller name home, because I am my first page is the home, this is the controller name and this is the index name home index. So first URL is this one, and also you can see in the controller controller name is the home, and first index name, first view name is the index, and second about. So first is correct. Also here we can write the this thing. If you want to the change here home, then it will be showing home. If you are writing the dashboard, then it will be showing the dashboard. So we will use the same as name, we will keep it to the same, only we have changed the URL. So dashboard if you want, then you can change, and otherwise keep it same. And other thing is this one, remove this thing and write @URL dot action and pass two parameter. In the first action name is the about. Okay, this is the action name about, and controller is the same home, so keep it home. And third is the contact. Okay, and the controller name same home. So remove this thing and write @URL dot action, and here we need to type two parameter. First is the action name, then controller name is the same home. Okay, so this thing is the correct. We will check in these three view. First view we have changed, but second or we can keep the same as just a minute, chart. Okay, we will use the same as chart data visualization. So this thing is the completed, but our need to be the change the for the chart we need to the put the code on the this page, charted page. So open the here you can remove the index page because already we have used the index, so the index work will be completed. So the index work is completed, so then we can delete it. Okay, then charts, but we don't know what is the page under the chart. Then inspect, right click, inspect element. Here we can check which page is calling. Okay, here is using the data visualization. Okay, so open data visualization, this thing, open, double click, and the header no need because already we have used in the layout page, same thing. And other thing is this minimize, and also search box minimize, and menu minimize. Okay, and check this one where we can minimize it because this is the header part, this is the side menu, minimize, and this is the main content. So this is in this only I need to be the take the layout page. So this is the also the header part, minimize it, and our content is this is content actually. You can see this div should be closed before after the footer, then we can't be take it. This is the container, so we need to be use this one, only this line, because this is container, this is footer, and these things already we have used in the layout page, and these thing already we have used in the layout page, you remember. Then only we need to the copy this one. Okay, and go to the and copy and open the contact page in the view, home, and about us. In the about us page we need to the use it. Okay, done. And other thing we need to the use the layout here. So go to index HTML and above and copy the layout from here. Okay, this thing completed, and close this one, no need. Now we need to the change the code for another one, this one, data visualization. So go to here, and any code we can use, no problem. Then open the contact page and remove all things from here and go to the solution explorer, and same thing we need to the data visualization. Already we have used manage user maps, this one maps. So here the header already we have used, close it, and other thing header, this thing, and menu we need no need to the already we have used, sorry, and this is actually content, so we can't be close it, and other thing is the this is, so same as this is the container. So under the container we know this is the body part, under the container this this is the body part, only we need to the use this thing, copy and paste here, done, and close this one. Okay, now go here, refresh the page, and first thing is the save all, and go here and refresh the page. Okay, then click on the charts. Here you can see data visualization, it is working, and if I click the dashboard, then it is coming the same as the template. This is the previous HTML template. So here you can see this is the showing the same, and actually we have changed the code only for 3 pages, first 2 3, this thing only I changed for 3. So, actually here we need to be the change the code. So this is project is working fine, and other thing here you can see the, if I click here, but dashboard only showing the active, but it will be it should be the remove the active from this. If I click the charts, and chart should be the active, but it is not working. So our need to be the add one more method in the layout page, because active is not working. Here they go to the Visual Studio, then layout. Here you can see here this is the active, index page is the active. When we will run the project, then the automatically run the index page, then it will be become the active. This is, you can see this is the by default active. You can click on the refresh page, but when I will be clicked the next page, then this active page will be removed and this current page should be active. So we need to be the change some functionality here. First here we need to the add one ID, name is the menu ID. Okay, and go to the below, and type here script dollar document dot ready function. Ready function. Function. Okay. And under the dot each function dollar dot id the this one. First thing, close this one, close, yes, and close also this one, and also close, yes. Here this is id, actually unordered list id, unordered list id. Okay, and in the anchor tag means the action will be performed on this one. This is anchor tag actually, a, and then each function here we need to declare one variable url is equal to dollar this dot attribute and hurry. Something is missing. Oh, now it's fine, yes. And one more variable where str is equal to dollar this dot parents this one, parents dot parents, and under the parents method li then index. Okay, then check the condition if url and window dot location dot href dot index of index of URL greater than 0, then dollar this dot add class what is active, okay, add class active, and other thing, but it will be work check here. You can see the active class is the dashboard. When I click this page, then the always active class the index, but the chart should be the active and dashboard should be the inactive. So I need to be the add one more condition. If str not equal to 0, okay, so here we need to the remove class. Actually 0 means index page. If index of the li means this is li, actually this is li, and indexing is for this li, this is the home page. For this li 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 indexing is there, but for the home controller the indexing is 0. Then here I am checking the if str means indexing, this is indexing. Also you can use the index, okay, also index value, if index value not equal to 0 means if I clicked on the chart, then index values should be the 1. If they not the 0, then this active will be removed. This active should be removed. So here we need to the only copy and paste. Only we need to the remove the class here, but by the ID. Okay, dollar then ID, but our need to be the add ID here in the anchor tag. Here we need to be the add ID is equal to, and ID name home menu ID. We can use home menu ID, okay, and this ID I am check here ID dot remove class active, okay, yes, now it should be over. Then first go to the home, refresh the page. By default the home page is active, means home page will be working. Then I click the chart, then the chart will be work, but it should be the remove. It should be the remove and it should be the active. What is the issue? Okay, something is wrong. URL and URL greater than 0 dollar this dot add class active if index value this one not equal 0, then come here and home id. This is okay. First we need to the save home menu id dot remove class active. It should work. Menu id. Oh, here we need to the put h for the id selector. Yes. Now go to page and refresh the page. First click the home, refresh page. It is automatically selected by default active. When I click the chart, see, now the active from the dashboard is removing, and current page is active. Here, if I clicked on the next page, then it should be the active and it should be removed. Okay, clicked on. Here you can see that these two is removed and this is active page, means this is the running page data visualization. Okay guys.